In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Excel. If you've ever received a PDF with a table you need to sort, filter, or calculate, turning it into an editable Excel file can save tons of time. I'll walk you through 3 reliable approaches, explain when to use each, and share a few pointers to keep your data clean. First up, Microsoft Excel. If you already have Excel 2019, 2021, or Microsoft 365, this is the best and most accurate method. Open Excel and go to the Data tab. Choose Get Data, then From File, and select From PDF. Pick your PDF file and Excel will scan it, showing you a preview of the tables it found. Select the table you want and click Load. Your data will drop right into a worksheet, usually keeping the structure, headers, and columns in place. This is great for well-formed tables, and it often handles multiple tables in a single PDF. If your PDF is organized, you'll get a clean result with minimal cleanup. Next, an online converter. This is fast and convenient, especially for one-off tasks. Open a trusted site like I Love PDF, Small PDF, or the Adobe PDF to Excel tool. Upload your PDF, hit Convert to Excel, and download the .xlsx file when it's ready. This is a quick win when you're on a different computer or don't have Excel's PDF import feature. Just remember that results can vary depending on how the PDF was created, so you may need a quick review afterward. Finally, Google Drive is a handy free option. Upload your PDF to Drive, right-click it, and choose Open with Google Docs. Google Docs will extract the text and table content. From there, you can copy the table into Excel or go to File and download it as an Excel workbook after making any fixes. This approach is best for simple tables. More complex layouts might need a little formatting touch-up once you're in Excel. A few important tips before you finish. Standard PDFs with real text usually convert cleanly. If your PDF is scanned or just an image, you'll need OCR or text recognition to turn pictures of text into editable data. Many tools include OCR options, but the results can require extra cleanup. No matter which method you choose, always double-check your columns, headers, dates, and number formats after conversion to make sure your data is accurate and ready to use.